Hey, what is up everyone? Today we're back with a new hack client, and this one is Meteor client and reject. Start off by opening up your web browser, then go to my website, cyde. On here, press on Meteor client and go to it. Now if you get any pop-ups, just close them. Then go down to the middle download button and press download Meteor. Now wait a few seconds, and when you get the download, go to your Minecraft mods folder and save it. And this one is for Fabric 1.20.6, so you make sure you have that version. Then go back to the website and press download rejects, and download this to your mods folder too. Now that you've installed it, just open up your Minecraft launcher and launch Minecraft 1.20.6. Once you're in Minecraft, you can see that you have Meteor client in the top right corner. Now once you're in game, press right shift to open up the menu. Now on the right, you can see Meteor rejects, and to the left you can see a bunch of other modules. Here you can see me enabling a few stuff like speed and changing the speed. As you see, I'm walking very fast right now with the speed. Then I'm also enabling long jump, as you can see the module, and no fall. This basically does that you take 0 damage when you fall. And then scaffold, as you see, and speed scaffolding, faster than garbage. This client is so extensive that I actually can't show every module in this video, but if you want to use this, just download it from my website. And see you next time. Bye.